Miami's PreK program had so many unique strengths and aspects. I would say one of them is just the amazing professors and staff that you work with. They're very uplifting and encouraging to finish your degree no matter what's thrown your way. Some of my favorite activities were the hands-on learning when we did our student teaching. I liked going out into the community, meeting different teachers, watching how they worked, seeing different schools, knowing what I liked, what I wanted to move to my programs. After talking to a lot of people, online classes have been scary and hard to complete. They don't know how to navigate the online system. But after completing a 2-year degree with Miami, I can tell you that your teachers and professors are there to help you, and they give you ABC steps, complete everything. Online programs are easy to complete at your own pace. One benefit for me to complete an online program is that I got to be with my kids throughout the day. I got to go to sport games. I got to go camping with my family on the weekend, and I was still able to complete the courses at my own pace.